toes up there. Toes, can you pull them? Come on. That's it. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. That was good. Now we have to get your belly up that bar. Ready? Well, we're going to make a space. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. We have to make a space for Lila's belly. Just move that hand a little bit. Now jump up. Hold it. 1, she leans forward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Lila. Very good. Now go sideways and make your possum. Let's go this way. Put your hand over there and put your toes up there. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Look at you moving your hands on there. That's very good, lady. Hey, let go. Gotcha. Promise. You can let go.
It wasn't today.
There it is. Can I high five? Thank you.